Hi, welcome back to Pens, Planners, and Productivity. Today we are decorating for the week of August 3rd to August 9th. I'll start out with my Tombow 992 and I will highlight the week. Using a planner is a little bit easier than using a bullet journal because everything is all done for us. So I don't have to set up the boxes or anything like that. So what I'm going to use is a combination of this Happy Planner color story, and I'm going to use one sticker from this. This is something that I had AI create for me and I printed out. I already used one. I used that one right here. It says August, a fresh page, a soft breeze, a beautiful new chapter. And I didn't think I was going to write anything here, so I decided to put the sticker there. After I printed these, I noticed that they were a little bit small for this book, so I'm probably not going to use too many of these because the other stickers I'm going to use that have butterflies is the Happy Planner color story, and I didn't realize at the time, but it is for the big planner. So these are quite a bit bigger and I don't know if they're going to match very well with these. So we'll see. I know I want to use this one at the bottom. So I will take this one and put it down in this area. And then I wanted to use this sticker. I thought this was really pretty with all of the butterflies. And as you know, Saturdays and Sundays, I don't do much work-wise, so I like to put something here if I can. Let's see if we can get this straight. We'll set this one aside for a second. The next thing I wanted to do is add the classes that I have. And I didn't find any boxes that I liked in that sticker book, so I decided to use this black and white one. And I found these stickers, and these are the same stickers, but for some reason they put them in upside down. So that's why I wrote one in right side up, one in upside down. And I'm going to add these for my classes that I'm teaching this week. And that is on Wednesday and Thursday. So I'm going to put this here. And this one will go here. If you didn't see my other video, I do teach 6 o'clock in the morning until 10 because I teach at a school on the East Coast and I live in Mountain Time. So they're starting at 8 o'clock. I'm starting at 6 o'clock. It's okay though, I'm a morning person. I don't mind. Okay. Now what I wanted to do is use some of these butterflies to dress up the page a little bit. And I think I'm going to start here. This quote says, "Believe that something wonderful is about to happen." I really like that one, and it has the butterflies. So I'm going to use that. Again, I always have trouble with these. There we go. I'm going to put this one right up here in this corner to remind me that something wonderful is about to happen. Okay, I think I like this picture here with all the butterflies together. So I'm going to take this and I'll use this at the bottom. I'm going to bring this all the way down and put that there. And then I'll just fill in with some pretty butterflies. I like this one. So we need something on this side. I think I'll put this one right here. And I also like this one. I like the colors in this one. And I'll put this one. I wanted it over here, but I think to balance the page out a little bit, I'm going to put it right in the middle. And I think for now, that's all I'm going to do. I work on a lot of projects, so I need a lot of writing space. Sometimes after I'm done, I will fill in with a little more. But right now, I think that's how I'm going to use it. Thanks for planning with me, and I'll see you in the next video.